why I come here? I come here because of Ajepkako. Then I come see say make I tell fake account people say they say make una dey use una real account. Say fight don't finish. Now, it can't be. Now Ajepkako now. Now he come sit down for social media. Hey, oh, hey, Ajepkako, no need when you go take find settlement for social media, live video. I thought that I say if una talk finish, una go enter house. I said if una talk finish, una go enter house. My people, today okay. Wait till I talk. No be come to pass. All of them now they don't enter house. Nobody they do saga. Now everybody don't mind business. Everybody don't they blog now. You know? Now only Ajepkako now. Now they fight for social media. Now you tell no say Ajepkako do go back. Now this one you tell no say Ajepkako na backward person. Ajepkako do go back. People don't enter house. Instead of Ajepkako now to find what he go they do. Ajepkako now they shout, Larry, you not to say you love my husband, you love your husband, you love me past your husband, my brother. Oh. All this talk when you they talk, you just they talker. The real talk when they carry on social media. People when they can't talk, people when they lie, people when they zolo talk for people body in a la one. They no evil gainer. They don't see something out of it. Lie and everything. Ajepkako, I will be the last person on this earth to believe you. Do they talk lie? Ajepkako say, me, I said my nakedness can't give her. Instead of me to send my nakedness, go give Ajepkako, I don't fair talk. And the second time when I did talk and be this, I'll just remove brazier, remove pints. I'll just sit down and do live video. People say, this woman, you don't take crazy. I say, no, I want naked myself. Make una dey shot me. You see that word they low, Nobody, me, even you talk from here, go reach till you die. I can never believe you. You two talk like. Now, you they say, Itohan Douglas. I can't swear. Who you want swear for? One, you too small. You know what Ajepkako no. Now, Ajepkako, you are just making noise. If you be person, you kukuma, you know kukuma get sense before. I will say you be person where you get sense. This matter, if you like from here, drag this matter, go reach that kid don't come. Go and fight your case in the court of law. Me, I don't feel fight for you. I be barrister on this social media. Your case, even if say me with you not the quarrel, your case, I not go feel hand down because your case don't already the court of law for Nigeria. I must say good evening, how you day? I say must still come out today. Let's say my belly they pay me coffee. Coffee they worry me for belly. Coffee not let me latte macchiato. Not let me use remove mouth. Anytime when I take drink, you go they pay me for belly. Now to just stop. Better stop. I don't know. I don't wait till I see for latte macchiato. Whether I do they put coffee or I don't can know. Now. You they shout. You they say, from Victor. Everybody don't you see, You see, and I saw that day now, he want bring from Victor now to the saga. This matter, from Victor don't topple for this matter. When this matter, they at that time. From Victor don't topple for this matter. Even when this matter, they air, when the evil, this not evil, concern Atiti. Where how they take, how will they reach police station? How they take go sooner? Everything. They bring on social media. The police station, everything, they share for this social media. You not talk that time. Instead of you to talk that time, you can't go they fight Atiti. Who you go fight they grand though? The matter they grand though, you not talk. You can't go they fight Atiti. You can't use Atiti till they cover the matter. Now. Atiti don't talk to you. Atiti don't come on. That is the truth. Now, so my darling, Atiti don't talk to you now. Atiti don't come out. From Victor come, the matter. From Victor, he top put. Everybody top put for the matter. Everybody, they enter house. Now. You, the people where they top put for the matter before, you they call them. And these people know say, this your matter now. You don't enter court of law for Nigeria. No live video presenter. If you like make the live video presenter say, now you can't talk pass. This your matter. Live video presenter no fit talker. Only why they bring this thing now, he want to disgrace the woman. You cannot disgrace somebody 2 times. They say person when he naked, you no go feel naked them again. Person when you no wear clothes, why you want to take naked? You want to put his skin come off for body? Oh no, naked, For I already associate one why naked. What you want to put for your body? Nothing. Person when naked, that they all person when naked, that they all cloth. Which cloth you want to see her for your body? See her now. The matter now, what they do now? If you want to start the saga, when the saga, Mama Douglas, you go call Frank Victor. Frank Victor, that they ask me say, Frank Victor, baby Frank Victor, you good now? Yes, you will Frank Victor, no they quarrel again. Frank Victor, make peace, enter house. Nobody settle you with Frank Victor. Okay? Now, this matter of Itohan Douglas come out now. You they call Frank Victor. You see how that they do? If they call Frank Victor now, what if Frank Victor want talk? Is it not the same matter when all your live video presenter they talk? The time when they talk this matter, you they fight Atiti. Atiti no go. You they fight Atiti no go. So they don't priest when they say, una no dey hear me, una no dey hear me, una no dey hear me, una no dey hear me. And they waka dey come out say, don't priest do video. I no go feel look for am now. Maybe one day I'll come play am. Don't priest say he don't remove hand. When don't priest don't remove hand for matter, don't priest, don't priest is a common nothing. You go make do boo, you go there. That barrister, you dey craze, you dey here. No block, you go say no block barrister. See, I see where don't priest, the matter can reach don't priest hand. As matter reach don't priest hand, now don't priest say, the husband of the lady, our mama, he don't see advance. The husband say the case, people for Facebook, they no go fit top for the case. The case don't already dey court of law. Ajepkako ena mierelu. I don't know what I want to call you. So say me can tell my. The matter dey for court of law. Why you dey call presenter when they don't fit top for the matter? You see yourself. Why you no just enter house? Now what? Beyond that one now what? This matter is already. They don't already settle on. What you they do now? They use the one use system. Draw from Victor come inside the matter. If Frank Victor enter this matter, Frank Victor go collect from my hand because I buy the matter. Frank, see me oh. If you buy this, if you enter this matter, you go collect. You go collect. They go say now Frank Victor with lovely. They don't they fight again. He go collect. Remove Frank Victor for this matter. Remove Frank Victor. Just let Frank Victor be because Frank Victor don't already fed top for this matter. A lot of live video, both women, both men, they have talked this issue that you brought upon yourself. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Onokbana ehoelwe. Enamya ya wefe. Emine kwe ya mwa. Tinyarye nuwe dajia. Is this man, is him, is a real binima? Because now so you they speak English. You know say English, it they turn outside down. Is this man, is he, is a real binima? Ena miera u. Wewe ena miera u o efe. Awa miefe. Aya efe aki miewo bi ona miera elu efe. Evi na wa mi owo buwe. Igbina. Na amie ya u efe ya like social media. Omaho, and I'm ya wefe. Where water? Hello, your mates, they make money, they build hotel, events. Where they do events, your mate, they build that you stay for social media. If you not go the chop for inside pot, pot go the chop inside you. Odafewidon is your luku. Don't worry. This matter, I don't buy. I know say they know they pay me before I start to the talk. And they always they stand for the parts. Everybody with their social media so say I don't say lovely that one tomorrow. They no say lovely matter. You get as it be. If I stand on issue, that issue must get heard. If I see say waiting no good, I know they stand put. Where they lie, I know they stand put. My people. As our live video presenter talk. When this matter called social media, Ajepkako enamie Yahoo. Me mamie or when me Yahoo or when I ya okona dip a party in way. Woman come they buy pants for you. Woman come they buy singlet for you, may you wear. When me re lu oko da de minye. Na. The woman are supporting can support as people can support John Osage at that time. I will say that woman go support John Osage at that time. Now for better pass. Now for better pass. Now support now this woman go support too. Now. He say he don't follow that woman sleep. He don't do anything with that woman. Nah. Person we fight deny. Or when your man go no honey when you don't he talking for this social media. Ajepkako na miera wefe. Wait till you want to talk again now. You see this life, when matter don't come, as a mature person, you see say this matter don't enter, court. You see, even me, not call me put for matter because the day of court, I know they follow you, they go. Now. You say nothing, you not get anything when you do with this woman. Me, I believe you not get anything when you do with this woman. When my go when you do, when my go when we rock back, you talking. Just when this saga come, what tie? Am I lying? I'm not lying. What tie? Now. The video when you come they do now, you want to tell us say your talk now. They refer to say, Igwe wana. Bet the first time you say when my go with you otoviame. And work out with the first time. It may not love no via ikyoya. Mary I take. Because you they talk lie. This man, when he say me, I take my picture. Nakedness, I can't send and go give her. Or where naked. Men I say that jamuge. I will say at the person when they use less money, maybe I forgo carry a jelala swear for her. But me, I they use my money to the chop. I know they use my money to the do nyama thing. Only small people when they swear for people for social media. The lie when you put for my head, you know how I reach their own. But they carry juju. I look say, ya only don't want bog benya who spoil. That mean one can spoil. You don't already useless. What is the need? Make I leave you. May your karma cut up with you. Nah. You come that and say, Imagwa when you Imagwa when you you see that utun weka to reni. Utuin weka to re. Mahari. Anyway, tuna. A frustration to where you are seeking for help. You are seeking for attention. You are looking for people that will join you to come beat Itohan Douglas. My brother, enter house. If he really say Saga say Itohan Douglas want to pay live video presenter, make they come beat you. Itohan Douglas, you go share 1 million naira. You go share give them. You, how many you go fish share give? If I say make I continue saga you now from this day, come reach December, you know say lovely go the Chester. I'll tell you to my Douglas, say I bet now 3 million naira now I need. I don't need 100,000. Me I shan luckily, akile no making. When it remain small, we go lay the egg. Now when they say whoa. Now they chop. If I want to eat bribe in the bay or Where the akpolo here, I go not say for inside the money, I go take lawyer. I know they call it 50,000. What 50,000 want reach me to? I know they call it 100,000. From 300 million go up. We are carrying prison. Ure lawyer. You go only go kiro agweso. Nah. You dey shout. And you not say you love me past your husband. Bro, enter house. You don't lie. Me, I can't lie when you don't lie for this social media. How many people when you don't lie for their head? Number one, you say, I consider, take myself picture. Consent, can't give you when be poor man. Hell, in there. If I don't talk, my belly go just they make I vomit. Me, poor man, Birelu, Adekres. You there abroad, you poor. Ah, Kukuma go Nigeria, go marry poor man with Nigeria. Ya wamuki hola. You know, you can't pull life on my head. Jennifer Collins, you pull life for Jennifer Collins' hair, say, na black, na ibon. You know, say, if you want to fight person, even if say you don't get what you want to fight that person, just say you dey crazy, I be your mate, now God they punish you, ogu berak bijouea. Period. I wear the bonota wear ogu berak bijou botie. No be your con lie. Then you can't say Jennifer Collins. Pikin when Jennifer Collins born, you say no be ojibo na black. You forget say the pikin they live. Jennifer Collins pikin as we they take breath every day by day. The pikin they follow us, they take breath. You forget say Jennifer Collins pikin they alive. You can't they pull life for pikin when they alive. You can't they pull life for your head. They pull life for mama head. You can't say Jennifer Collins say na black pikin na ibon. As Ajepkako like this show, Ajepkako this shot when you just dey shout enter house. Enter house because I go collect you. You can't bona how kose. You can't say Jennifer Collins pikin he black. Say na black man na he give Jennifer Collins belle. Okay. As God want disgrace am, everybody know say Jennifer Collins you dey with Oyibo for house. Now Jennifer Collins can say, "What de oh? Ajepkako don't put life for here though. Your lie, he enter the social media. Now Jennifer Collins, he can't carry pikin come out half cast on our show. My people, that one not be lie. After that one, untouchable mama, no, two Ajepkako. The one where they Italy when marry Ojibo, he said that one can't the spinner. He still put lie. He put for that woman untouchable. Is it untouchable? Not be untouchable. I be unshakable. Don't say one day not touchable. The second one day na untouchable, unshakable. The one where they Italy. Everybody know her. He can't still put lie for that one hand. He said now that one can't find her. Now that one called the spinner. He lie. Nothing way not a lie for that one hand. He said that one not get driving license. He said that one not get car. He can't lie. He even to say they put you for my leg. He said they put you for my leg. Oh, say they change my leg. Because he's a useless man. You know, say when man don't frustrate. You know, say when man don't frustrate. He can talk anything. People go talk say he they talk. You know, also say in time, this one to go come pass. Now I put life for that. Mama when marry you, but when they Italy. Only can't reach today. That mama see they beat her. After that one, he can't see put lie. He can't lie. That man too lie. He can't put lie. He can't put for Odion Lovett. Not be Odion Lovett. That one when we do saga for 5 years. He put lie. He put for Odion Lovett head. He say he dey go carry Odion Lovett for road walk. Ah, this useless man. I will say you don't reach Nigeria now, they just arrest you. They go through where you put for prison. Now better part. Because you not get what you defeat do. You not get what you defeat do as a man. Come bet me the day when I reach Nigeria, I go arrest you. I go arrest you. You know woman get power now. me I arrest you, I be me I no arrest. He must say me I arrest him. Me I no arrest, I don't already useless. You know? He want couple life for Jollof head. He say they go carry a Jollof vet for road work. As that man useless rich. Say if he say na 50 euro. Now he tell they fuck the rest I shall go. He say if he reach where a Jollof vet day, say he go give a Jollof vet 50 euro, a Jollof vet go give 30 euro for change. Now so you carry the lie. Couple for Jollof head. Now Jollof come the shout say, you don't ever see me for road work. You don't ever see me for road work. Now so he can't lie oh. He lie finish. He can't still lie put for a pie the Murphy head. He can't lie for a pie the Murphy head. He can't lie say he don't sleep with a pie the Murphy. He lie for your head. See ya. He say he sleep with a pie the Murphy. A pie the Murphy na man. He be man. I can't do with a pie the Murphy. Oh where he sleep with a pie the Murphy. Oh, that woman when carry you come abroad, that woman useless you. The karma, what did you do that woman? The karma when follow her, it too big. The karma when follow that woman. This life, not be all women, not be that they temper. Oh, bokba, now you take say high for that woman. Or the remaining 4 finger, all of them come point at Ajepkako. Now I put like, come put for a pie the Murphy head. Now I buy the Murphy. I that one come. What did they come to? That one they come send now. They go print paper, cut paper for her. As he reach there, he say, "Now lie." Ajepkako, what did you want talk now? When people want believe you for Itohan Douglas body, you know they. Even if some people will say they believe you, me. Instead of me to believe you, ya moi be. When you see that your belly is swear your is here so to all those all of them go full ground. Big boy with a K. Can't lie for a pie the Murphy head, that one can't drag and go cut off floor for Obodojbo. As this man can't lie rich. Who will put life for here they go? Can't see put life for this same from Victor when he they call today. He can't put life for from Victor head. Can't put life for from Victor head. Oh, again, a lot of people like that, when they come mad, come swear for her. A lot of women come mad, they swear for her. See your life. Up all the old people, when you first they enter social media at that time, they don't do saga finish now. They don't enter house. Now, you don't start your saga. Tell your husband this one. Tell your husband that one. Bro, you dey lie. You dey lie. Now, the woman supports you as they take the support. If the woman saying they go Nigeria, they invite her for occasion. What do you go do? You go buy, the woman go buy ticket for you. The woman go one occasion with your husband. The husband did that occasion. You did that occasion as a boy. Since when, you know they wear cloth again. You know they so native now, Sierra again. You know they so native now, right? Ajepkako, and I'm you go right and put for a Zuzu. See, they say the hand that fetch you. Oh, boy, no, red by nyele. It is then when you go beat the hand. Now that the cost go follow you. As that day now you bring t-shirt come out. See t-shirt. Ukmona, come on, tell your husband whether he care for this cloth. Tell your husband, my brother, this story. The man trusts his wife. The man trusts his wife. You were trying to scatter that house, but the woman take you as a little boy. The woman take you as a little boy. Today now, you are shouting. You see this Ever no, my brother. Now one cloth, knife fabric they do before. This cloth when I wear so, this cloth when I wear so, Fabrica do this cloth reach, na marker, they go do and reach like 10 or 15. When it don't finish, it don't finish. See your life now. You see your life? See your life. A lot of that one, the second one. That woman went there, Jamie, retire me. You still pull life for that one head. Only now is that one swear for her, that one bitter. Pull life for that one head, that one bitter. Now this is a mob. Mob, now that one take bitter. The day when that one they bitter, sweat because they come up for that one body. Wait, don't let woman release their anger. If woman release the anger, give tree. That tree, it go die. It not go reach 1 year, the tree go die. Only now beg. Only now beg, on a nyahan, on a more, he can't live. Very useless man. Now make cannot better for life. Ekwe muwe. You know the shame. If you not see who talk to you, the woman when he put you for house, the woman not see the evil they talk to you. That one go even see stay for background. He go they talk. That woman cry come out for this social media say, you know they sleep house again. They know they see you again. Now they see you again. I will say, that mama, Itohan Douglas no get husband that year. You for leave that woman when you day house now. I will say Itohan Douglas was a single mother. He no get husband. As that woman get money. You for leave this one. If I leave this one, if I leave this one, Itohan Douglas, that one get husband for us. Now, you know what they do now? It won't bring problem between Itohan Douglas with his husband. The time when una saga that woman for social media, his husband no chase and come out. A lot of mouth, now saga that woman for social media. A lot of live video presenter. His husband no divorce her. His husband no chase and come out. His husband not talk say he not they marry again. The one when you want can talk. Now you go move the man. You think say the time when you with Itohan Douglas they go. You think say the man no know. Sometimes husband and wife they go trust their wife. Nah. You not say you love me past your husband. Say you cry come and say you with this woman una not do anything. Wama we or do we ame. You said it on social media. Yes. So you don't forget. Frustration make you forget. You don't say you dead depressed. You know, your depression, you can come out and say rubbish on social media. When we not depressed, everything there we brave. Any moment we can play it for you. You yourself go there, even they ask yourself, say, which time you take talk this talk? You talking for air. Who you they call they talk to now? You talking for air, say, well, you want man when you do you talking for air. Then which I can they talk say, you say you love me past your husband. He love you past your husband for your husband. Why he not marry you put for us? Since now women now they marry you put for us, they go. He love you past your husband. Why not marry you put for us? As he got they thought the matter now, maybe people got they thought say, Ajepkako don't come out to Ajepkako enter house. Go judge your case for court of law. Don't priest say he don't remove hand. Because don't priest when they shout, you not the hear me, you not the hear me, you not the hear me. Don't priest say don't remove his hand. Itohan Douglas husband tell the priest say, may forget the matter. The matter don't already dey court of law. The priest say don't remove hand. Lie, useless man. Can't lie. That man can't lie. You know how many women in lie put for their hair? For this social media. They say cause of a woman, na acid. One woman cause you, na acid. See her now, see your life now. You know the shame. You know the shame. The karma will cut up with you, the karma must useless you. All the rest of your life, you must useless. If you say you the stagger, they go. If I see you say you the stagger, they go, I go use my hand to push you. No to all deju. Who ki deju? See disgrace now. Ukmana, Evado. The dude says, he carry one, he go dash her out. as a boy when you be. Now you say you open orphanage. Now another person can't be CEO for the orphanage. Since when the woman drive you, I will say that woman want continue that orphanage. Ama, that woman, that orphanage for still day. Good evening, how you day? The orphanage for still day. Now they say, Tama uwe, wo uwe, Tama uwe, so place like this, Tama uwe, so. Ajepkako na me ya we fe la wa. Ne hwe amwe ya kwali wi na lazy makukuma. They say you not get document again. Yo uye mebe. Where did they bon we a? Olokwo ye ri owu wa na. Ege ave ye say olokwo ti ye hwefia. Go ma to this date down. The cause of your first wife, if they follow you, ask any man, ask them. They'll say, he no working. The wife push you out. Since when that woman push you, come on for your life never becomes the same again. Your life never becomes the same again. Ask your wife. So place like this. Now let enter house. I know they call from Victor. From Victor with where they call her? Buwache, Itohan Douglas. They're not a quarrel. If you want to fight Itohan Douglas, no mention any live video. Face on. Because live video presenter, all of them don't fair message to Itohan Douglas when this matter they ground. They not shake. Your husband not shake. Una not talk. Your husband not hear say una. Your husband don't even say our guana. A lot of people they talk, they use that woman to do live video. Oh, our why maladian. Now you want to come out. Wait till you want to talk. You there with your wife for inside house. The woman will marry you put for house. Where you park your bungalow all the way from Spain. Go stay with for Deutschland. You still there with them for house. You want me another man drive your wife. You see you. This is how their useless mentality they work. Anything they do now, even if they talk now, it will come pre-quarrel between with Itohan Douglas with his husband. They have already sent you to court of law. Go and face the law. You face the law. Everything when you thief. Olibole, akaramo, you thief for inside this thing. You thief fridge, you thief television, you thief everything. You want the naira? You don't fight thief for this social media 5 years ago. Somebody give you 8,000 carry go house. You reach Nigeria, you thief 3,000 euro. You want the naira? If you see this court of law, now they'll say, have you ever thief before? You know if it will say no. They put up for grant say you don't fight thief 3,000 euro. Out of 8,000 euro, you thief 3,000. Abi? Everything, your shame and disgrace just come on. Now you they lie, now you they thief, now you no maker, now you poor. Hi, you know say I talk past you where who come make that can wait. No, I senior yourself. I say I senior now. What will never time yeah. That's your here. You go break. Useless person. Thank you. Yes. Ayo, is he he want drive Frank. He want drive is it Judy. He want drive Frank. Come the saga. Now I go say Frank, if you enter this saga, Frank will go collect from my hand. Me with Frank. Now they talk say Frank. I want to open video. Say I want to the saga Frank. I say Frank, you open your video. Put me for call. Maybe we two they do saga. My dear, get here. We go spoil everywhere. You are right. The draft fight. When Frank Victor fight, he fights. Nobody jump from Victor fight, he fights. From Victor not fight. Ona mobona mubikenga. From Victor slept with a lot of women. From Victor as a soccer. From Victor soccer. From Victor see Ona Gboli and Vuvu. fight your fight. Who follow Frank Victor fight? You know they. If Frank Victor starts, on our end day. Because if they swear for Frank Victor, they not reach Frank Victor body because they collect Frank Victor Ogbola. They collect Frank Victor blood dead their body. Then no cause when they go cause Frank Victor when go reach. I mean, I did all this and all the people when Ajepkako sent go beg as the woman husband no gree. That's cry. Everybody, they're not agree. Yeah, I love that. You know, let them. Do you know? I don't even know. What be the thing say he be? You too poor. I will say you even rich now. They'll say, okay, let's listen. I will say you even rich. This background when you did today, you not go there. I will say you be rich person. You not go there yet. Because they follow small children. Kill it flan chopping it. So there you go open junior. You not when you're poor man. You not when you're junior. You can't be chairman of the junior. Chairman when you don't get money. You know when they donate 5 euro. And no get say he bon. He say na 200 euro. Now they donate give him. 200 euro. Can it be a hefty man? Yeah, my 800 euro. Riegi. Enogi. They don't they donate past 20 euro. They don't get. Ahwaru nuya waje. Ikbe wotane make enanya baba richi. Eva richi go in there. People keep me una. Yana wa gbagba me big. Now they don't enter house. Don't prince now say he don't come on hand for case. Don't prince the case don't already they court of law. This will not be Facebook case again. When they carry the case, this one to reach where attitude day. All of them who attitude now, he take lawyer. He take lawyer. Attitude where in all the Nigeria, attitude name come out. Since where attitude day Europe, attitude never open orphanage. Did you see? The man, they lie. Now the man a lot of things. Ajepkako is a liar. Ajepkako is a thief. Ajepkako is a bontrowe. Ajepkako is a poverty stinky person. For the old Europe now, if Ajepkako don't dey now for Europe, Ajepkako don't get address. Ajepkako don't get house. They will say name now. Ajepkako name say now he take rent this house. Ajepkako no. What it be name say? But what ye? We are yet here do. What you know they call for Benin safe? But they didn't yet here. Mama put it with mama for orphanage house. Oh. Ni one me because I were tao. I have made all of the door. See ya. Now your mates, Ajepkako, don't get. Now musician sing go. Now his voice can't high pass music. Ona u boko. See yet. He'll talk where yeje. Yoga now talk namu. Whoever that me turn namu, where was the DJ? We want push again. You ain't don't sit down for ground. One can they push you? You not gonna fall again because you talk with that daughter. And it's nothing. From Victor. And it's not. If that they come from Victor, they call saga. What they concern from Victor concern this saga? From Victor have. You don't fight do this saga. Why they come from Victor? When from Victor they do the saga years back. You talk say where we okwoni wama we yon dobiame. You talking for this social media. Nah. You don't read the time say the fight now don't hit you. You they come they talk lie. Everybody know say you be liar. Ajepkako that they call you. Everybody knows say you be liar. Like me, I will be the last person. Because you they lie. You know they shout and say, oh, you go explain tired, no evidence. Now look, now they come to look you. They say sit down, look. Now be dog, oh. We sit down now with they look you. Yeah? You don't shout. You go talk, your man they go walk. Itohan talk glass. Eh? Your husband when you they call. As you dey live video, they shout. The man they walk. If the man walk finish, if he come as if he eat finish, he will go relax. Till the next morning. I don't know why you are shouting. You they call people where get money pass you. He want talk. He say if na money, you get money. You get money, now the woman buy t-shirt give you. When we gonna hold that t-shirt in ye? When we gonna hold that ticket in ye? The time when that woman they buy ticket for you that time, 700 euro, 800 euro. Now you want come follow her, go judge case. Case when you wait don't ready thief. This when you thief. As soon as they pull and come on for war. The video. Even your brother, they arrest your brother. Oh, Jacques, mon jelly. 3,000 euro when you thief, you don't pay and finish. Who has a for? Now your man that they give him 50,000 euro, make they carry go Nigeria. One of them with 50,000 euro, no, ya Benin people. Benin man, if they go Nigeria, another Benin man when they do arrow to arrow, you go say, help me carry this money go Nigeria. You know they remove shishi inside. Penny. You know they remove for inside. Abi you don't know. Because you don't know what is market. Some people, that they do business so they carry money go house. Now that business, now the business when they do be that. Now ya mwe roki ewe bojowa. Your maid they give they carry some of your maid they even carry 70,000 euro go house. 100,000 when I am money I deliver video. Just 3,000 euro. And that man can't even give you money. That man even buy ticket for you. Oh, they are not 3,000 euro now. He say even buy ticket for him. He still reach Nigeria. I can't see thief 3,000 euro. You are coming on social media. They told you they follow the talk. Any God even where I go. The frustrated people. Everybody are frustrated. They know where I frustrated. Now you they follow the talk. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? You are just a disgrace to Benin men. Since I don't tell Europe, I never see Benin man where he gog like this. Remember me? I never see. Who deve man? Who deve shower? Who deve ki? I mean, na joao. Who rigwe vaere? Why? Na so your belly come big pass you. It be like flock when down top of water. Ona mie ya u se ne kwe mu no raveki. Unzan. But you enter abroad, you no pay gbese. You don't know say your mate do short to take pay gbese. Yes, some Benin men they do short to they use not take pay gbese. When they get their paper, they go back to fabrica work. Benin men we not there. If Papa Wala now go Nigeria now, if Papa Wala go they dance for Nigeria, you go they praise Papa Wala for abroad. You know where Papa Wala ya draw. The last time I checked now, they'll say you Papa Wala will be the same age mate. Will be the same age mate. Papa Wala de rame. Papa Wala de rame ne kwemu no raveki. Lazy man where they praise his fellow men. Fune. As I call them, I call they praise my fellow woman. Are they crazy? If my fellow woman, they say, oh my God, this your house fine, no. I don't think they say, oh my God, this your own fine, no. I don't get to show. I call they praise fellow woman like me. Are they crazy? Are they mad? That one not be shameful tea. You with Papa Wala for abroad. I can't have a lebo. Papa Wala, no resta tan. Papa Wala, no resta tan. Even fellow men, Benin man when they start down, when they see they run out the way when power like they run out, they know they praise themselves. If they reach your boy to be nyana, they'll use their hand to greet themselves like this. Men with men, and so they think they greet themselves. Yo, you they praise. And never they come. Say, na papa wala, neither they praise. So one day when I they come, I see the man for one Africa shop. And also said the Benin men when they praise her. Hey, yo go, oh yo go, oh yo go. And they see and they say sometimes and they because we self, you know they put for ground say because once I come up for house, you not go know me again. If they see me for you, they'll say now like this, I'll take go after that. Once you are there after that, you're not gonna know whether I'm lovely again. If I did somewhere, if I did talk, people say, this voice don't be like barrister. Without barrister, they don't know me. No call look me say if you see me for Amsterdam and like this, you'll take see me for Amsterdam. You go find me tired. You not go see me because if I go out in another way, now they go out. Another way. Me my day Benin men full Amsterdam when they get money, they get hotel for Nigeria. Yeah, we are saying now load the container. Yeah, I said that's our sister we did this. You say we are wamio. Yeah. If you rich, go where? I say useless rich. People call the fee say na so Bini all Bini may be. Come Amsterdam. Come go where the seaport. If you reach there, see Bini may there. They look container. You there ask your son of Yakbo or West Soto. You go sit down for Joko. Your leg go reach, you not go reach ground. How can of Yakbo no tota or where man soto? Anyanga muna no war na soto. Just give one Joko. You Joko na yak bikiabo. The na ya tota. Of you undan. Oh, I know say your mama na undan. Now you be undan to your mama. Oh, we are not oh, no mighty Bogwani, yeah. Hey, mama. Oh, mama. That mama self. Egbe wa wo no mama me yawo. Awe o na me yawo efi. O mama me yawo. Ola we na ibie na me yawo efi. You know the shame. Useless man. We just useless. Your children, all of them don't grow now. They walk. Before you know now, you just guess now. They don't the groove car. Here the motor. He did the leak soup when it's sour. Snake when don't bon tire. And I'm ya wefe. You know, I always kill an ori ho egg boy. Grass cutter. If you roast grass cutter, carry con. They don't already remove the process. And I'm here, who go no say, na ma grass cutter be this one, female grass cutter. Varie, I this stupid man. Varie, that fish, you know female and you know male. Fiariene, very useless and dirty man. We are one if we talking Nigeria day. Or one noe with the dirty. I don't know why, this thing not by you. Either coronavirus or Ebola. Ebola, he disgrace. It's son. Oh, where are you? You are not the one that pay for this pizza. This is my mommy that pay for this pizza. So tell your own son, don't say, oh, but bouwe. Fuen. Hey, they pull out for that woman head though. They pull out. They talk. You go shut tire. No evidence. Like they say, Itohan, Douglas. Itohan, Douglas. Itohan, Douglas. You are wasting your time. Your game is over. Very anyhow, man. This woman are they try. Oh. Now that woman and they buy a rolling and pit. Oh, that woman they try. Auntie, the oh. Auntie be no say na so you go take end up. Oh. That auntie be no know. Auntie be no know. You know, say this men, when they leave their first wife, you know, say that they lie where they can lie. When they will come the dinner, they go lie for their wife head. When the woman, when they lie, they'll come lie. If they say another woman, they'll come lie. They'll say their wife not good, their wife do this, their wife do this. They'll come brainwash, they can brainwash. You know, see, if they with Ajepkako go sit down, they brainwash itself. Then the woman no go, no, say na lie, that they lie. Oh. The woman no say na lie. As the woman come marry her now, and the woman marry her, he carry cloth for nylon bag, go meet the woman for house. As the woman come see lie now, the woman don't already there inside. Yeah, for me, I know they blame that woman. Even if everybody blame that woman, I know they blame her. All those men, when they leave their wife, you see them, they can lie. They go lie. You know, if you tell the woman, say, in a lazy man, the woman no go marry. He go there, go lie. The sickness when they sick, he not tell the woman, say, na the sickness when they sick be this. He tell the woman, say, nothing. As the woman come, marry and enter his house now the woman say, na liability. Then if the woman can't leave her now, you better tell them, hey, you leave me now, that they can't husband follow you now. Now that one now. Now they brainwash the woman. And true now, if the woman leave her now, they can't husband follow the woman. You see this man, Camelon. I know they finish. Joyce, how you dey? You see her? I don't blame this woman when he follow their house. I don't blame her. Even he said the woman say, lovely, who's war? I'll say, sister, thank you. Because the woman, it dey pain. Agripa. If, for example, say, that stupid man now, he dey wear pampers. He dey shit, he dey wear pampers. My people, that woman, he go feed a clean Agripa shit. For example, if little pikin shit now, you go wipe her. In now, I will say, Ajepkako say they use pampers. That woman go feel resistant. You go feel resistant. Since he want take care of Ajepkako, he want start to the nose Ajepkako. Say Ajepkako they shit for body. Now pampers now Ajepkako they use. Now they tie Ajepkako pampers. I think say that woman, it's not bonore nyano kwa. The woman showed that go dey pay. When you go tell they say Ajepkako, open your make I clean you. Open your make I clean you. You go carry Ajepkako up. You go come put pampers for inside. You go come tie and come wear. Those women. I know they blame that woman. I know they blame. I even they. That woman, he paid too much. But the woman is just dead there. The woman dead there. Because the woman not gonna shake body. If he go shake body, people go say, hey, you not find out before. The woman they bearan. Sister, bearan, biole. Eba miewegbe. Azie. Well, eba miewegbe aze. Awa you agi izagbo bo. Eba miewegbe aze. He say, ina miewegbe. Azien, amaju, agbona, I carry liability, foolish, useless man. Ajepkako no fit even come my house, come clean house. Because tell him make come clean house before you know you go sit down for church, you go dey sleep. That man, may I tell you, that kind of man, he cannot stand for 2 hours. Ajepkako no fit stand for 2 hours. You go dey find where you go sit down. Put all like no egbe gohian. He cannot stand for this thing. He not go fit stand. He cannot go anywhere. He not go fit stand for 1 hour. Or as can come like no egbe because he's used to they sleep for house. He's used to they sleep for house. Okay, as I know what they do for house. The small pikin now that one don't start infant class. But what they do for house now? The woman go work. The woman daughter go school. The son go school. Wait see who Ajepkako the nose for us now. Useless woman, useless man. Because they say, no will na. As the just day. Now that they laugh you. If you they laugh, they say, on a way zuone. You often ask whether those people, whether they watch you. You often tell whether they never block you. You just the two way two. You saw me way so. Frank Victor. Why they call Frank Victor? Why you they call Frank Victor? Yeah, don't priest. The priest say don't come on hand. As the priest say they come on hand, he come to shout. You get one video when they shout for the priest live video. Now so commenter, now so that they give am woto for there. You know the shame. Ha! Man, women now they try shout. That man, he no fit buy this water. This water, he no go fit buy am. This plastic now 15 cents. The water went there inside now. They never calculate am. He no go fit. 15 cents. That man no dey work. There is no way when you go fit get 50 cents. Or let's say now the woman still give her ordinary 5 cents. If you know they work for abroad, you no go fit get am. Who want give you? Who want give you? Just come back from. Okay, you are just coming back from work. Okay, welcome. How you doing? How life? Both, right? You see, I don't call and say, if you do that fake account, another news day for social media now. If you're on that fake account, now you people, you are free to come and use your real account. Now is a freedom, no saga again. It is shot. Yeah, Itohan Douglas. Douglas, ask your wife. So place like this. Ask your wife so place like this. Ask your wife so place like this. Ask your wife so place like this. Now so they talk now. Ajepkako, enter house. You are already a failure. And this man, who do this thing? This woman when carry and come abroad. You sure say not only this woman when carry and come abroad. You sure say not only that woman they body. You sure say another thing no they do this man. Because it's too much. Okay, make we talk this matter. When he leave those children was very small. They were babies when he leave those children. Those children now, they are 20-something years now. Okay, Mo say he leave those children when those children they like 5 years. Abi, Mo say like 5 years. We don't know the time when they leave them. Mo say 5 years. Okay, Mo also say he leave those children when those children they like 10 years. And those children now, those children don't reach like 23 years now. Okay, brother. 23 years now. What did you use and take do for abroad? House, you not build. Children, you not take care of. Ha! Now, they don't carry for chairman again. They don't carry you for chairman again. Ha! Now, wow, this man is useless. So men there for abroad. They never marry. Now only their family neither they take care of. They build house. They build hotel. Some come marry. They come they train children. They come still build house. Inside the children when they train no, they still come build house. This man he no train children. This man don't abandon his children for years. Okay, what did this man achieve now? Poverty. What's the need when he take common from Nigeria? This man don't achieve poverty. For Europe, you achieve poverty. None of that man age mates now. When they house, when he know they work. All this man age mates, all of them don't get passport. All of them don't get passport. Even the one when document no reach their hand. All of them don't get kata sojourno. Can you imagine? I don't understand. You know, not fit take care of children. You not fit even see plan life. You not fit build empire for yourself. Now wow. Come on, when caught up with this man, it's too much. Now come on, just the face so. Many disgrace can come out. You can't take 3,000 euro. Things when they put for orphanage house, you can't take all of them. The English people really thought say Kama is a bitch. Huh. Oh, I told me, you know if you make her. Nothing. You know if you buy land when people buy. The one when they even dash you said they collect them for your hand. Oswo. They give her land. You not change the ownership. Uki. Person will come dash me land now. Will come give me the document. I don't go change the ownership with that. He dash me, I change the ownership. Can you imagine? The children now, these two children, when that woman when they spay born for her. The children now 20-something years, now those children they now. This man not take care of those children, not buy pampers one day. Nothing when he buy, you not buy latte, not buy milk. Children don't grow up. And now, he's useless. He's a useless man. Let's say, for example, now they'll say, you come Ajepkako. Since you not take care of your children, what did you achieve? This man not fit take care of his children. This man not fit achieve anything. You will still say for social media, you go, they shout. Who you they talk to now? Idare, all of them don't build house for Nigeria. You boys, all those way they say, eh, ba na me ya we fe me no. So mo wa Nigeria, Everybody don't enter they shout. You're Douglas. Itohan Douglas. Daughter Mia. So place like this. Itohan Douglas. Daughter Mia. So shoe like this. Itohan Abe enter house. You don't already knock. You don't knock. Enter house. You too frustrated. Oh, man, when they praise the fellow man. Oh, now there I see this man finish. Skiminya nerame. Skiminya nerame. Skiminya nerame. Where is skiminya muwa tota? Skiminya. Oh, senior, you skiminya, He trains son for academic. Club con the buy son. You know the shit. Skiminya. He trains son for academic. Club con the buy son. You don't know your papa. The person wanna be the same age mate. Now be your papa. Oh, what taught her? You go talk the dance for another person progress. Who doing? When you see Jenny, you can see there for the rest of your life. As you not take care of your children, as you come and cut up with you useless, that's why you go useless for the rest of your life. See Anna? Yeah. Ale segbe adanebolo segbe adepe na me ya use no we too much igbe. At this time, almost getting to 30 years in Europe, document all your mate don't buy house, you no get. All your mate when they call us, they get house. They get house. Oh no one river. You can tell that Dova Barunu, pitching English all erase, good English all erase, una go refree, what it be good refree? Una go refree. Waguwega video na, vi aga erie, no demwe we bukuta, usalwa baba, una go refree. You go see the complex illiterate. Una good review. See a party when you dey laugh say no know how to speak English. A party speak English pass you now. Good English. A party was say book was correct. Oh who where? If not NFT, and I were in out I don't even know what they talk. I won't be. Person man when they use size 38. He got to say, me I send picture for him. You don't get prick. Size 38, or you're wetting or we yet ten. It's short. If you see me, now only my hand top person. If my hand now say they cut my hand, they go cut her like this from here, cut her. Now the ball go stand, they will put my hand top person. Only what was that do rope boss with the po yakbo. Oh, good evening. Why video now? Ajepkako, no, ya, why video now? What we are area unta. Obuwe, ale. Iya wa lo buwe we na lugbe. A lo buwe ukukan. Iya, they spoil this man. Iya wa useless say me bobobo. Be like, egbe no ge me mion. How man body go me mion? Hey no day. How you be like this thing catfish. Me mion, no hair, nothing. How that even they enjoy yourself? Eh? Me mion. All your teeth don't finish for inside mouth. Ow! That's all. The body be like catfish. You know, say the body be me your man body no hair, nothing. Where a toiro, oh boy a toiro. Even men they get hair for here. No say men they get hair for here. Me say if I get hair for here. If I die, yeah. You know get hair, nowhere when you get hair. Even be when he mate you go get Osama bin Laden. Even he said that man say me grow be even 100 years, you know if he grow Osama bin Laden be. To where me. You know what they check for man, but you want to check man nails. I they like if man get fine nails. I can't check man hand for you. You can't get hair for you. You see here man will can't get hair for you. You see leg man will can't get hair. You see man leg, the finger. You know say get where man they get hair for finger. All those see they ginger me. Me rock back. Or walk boy, I don't go off like catfish. As that one body they come me on. Now so you go see quit the release oh. Papa no need rain now. Oh, wife body now. Do your wife like this. You go do like conji for your wife body. Nobody they cure conji for the woman. Sister Kola say you not get prick. That man. Sister Kola say barrister don't kill me. That man, if you wear a condom, if you enter Toto, if they come out, the condom you go leave the condom for inside Toto. This man, that's not get prickle. When people, this man not get prickle. And they say, so she go proud. She go they say, lovely say, oh, you want so you crushing on me? I know they crush on you. Echo work more be. That man, I'll give that man back now. If Bele go they push your nyash, prick no go enter Toto. Give that man side like this now. You know they say we get how we tell the fuck. Corner. Where, papa. My we don't they use that side again. Corner. Who's zere? Amunwenya zere wenyanya. Eko get kiana la he. Nothing. I won't no ya romance so who. She come put her for body. You go be like say when small pikin they suck breath. That's why you have me wele. Oh, that's it. Yeah, love, you can't say they care for me. You there, man? Are you dreaming of me? You not be my type. One, you not get prick. Money no follow on. That's how I use you do. Anyway, what they take not be so your prick be. Man, so make them when they're short. We go fit tell you. Not say a partiti papa's cap, oh lila. We know men when he get this. A partiti say, Ekia don or straight here. Ekia gele don straight. You go they do like this. Or a benny. Okay, lovely. When they talk say they talk, hey. Abe, c'est pas poor. May we give him water, my darling, a very useless man. Ayo, they come. Itohan class. What me away to class here? Lawa. U take here. Nothing day. If woman say one romance you now, hair no day leg, no hair. Etwa no your woman. Even hair self when they hair. Or you make they get black hair. I don't even know hair when you get self. You don't know. I dey check ma. I can view ma. I fait carry nails, I fait cross check am. Carry leg, oh cross check am. Come carry nothing. Bia no dey here, no bia. Ejere walk bo everywhere do bo. Who born yourself? Bia, who born? Why you not come as a woman? You can't come as a man. Lovely. Cross on you. You got papa's cap. You don't see prick. If you dey put condom for the cassava, it go hard condom to enter cassava. You don't see some prick, eh? It dey break cassava. And cassava they break some condom. We are here. If they wear they come they tell me, prick. You get prick when I want carry. You dey mad. Ek mad be. Where? See me see wahala. If you say nah, small children. And you go cough. Prick don't come on for toto. I mean when me I can't why. If I want to satisfy myself, I satisfy myself. Why now you go no say something enter you. Not be the one where you go wear a condom. If you don't come on, you go leave condom for a side toto. What's the person? I don't understand. Can't say lovely? Can't say picture? Can't give me okay babek bine. Wow, no me I know it's not your papa, it's not your mama. I return my cost to you, cause to you not be your mama. Cause you were my argue and wejena rubbish. And I saw he lie die, he can't lie. Can you look and say, seriously? They mad. They say they carry my way. I come they go, the man will come short. Cause they carry the man, they go like they carry small pikin, they go school. Oh, they know you be carry school. You know where? You go fit do shopping for me. Where I think we're shopping a lovelier. You go fit do shopping. See wahala. Who go do that refer our account for Nigeria now? Say any put money for account, you don't get to put. For Europe now, put money for account, you don't get to put. Is there they tell say lovely because oh my God, they Chris. Wait, you get this thing. Why your first wife why throw away you? Where your first wife they throw away you? We no pay for body because you know say you don't get prick. Man when get prick before woman go throw away they hard. You say if not be this your prick, wait for do you. You don't know, ask. If you see say woman throw away man, you don't say the prick, no, it's not okay. Now manage the job, they manage that. The man can see you want to misbehave. Now I beg kukuma carry a while ago, you don't get prick. Also women when their husband when they get ubola or kia when I wake your good ya. I will be anyone new better when you're not wake your dear. If you see woman leave man, you don't care for the man. As your first wife they leave you, not care for you. You don't get prick. I will say you get prick, you don't go throw away your load. Don't want wake up for. You go open door, make prick, just they go. If woman open door, make prick, they make the man they go. You don't say prick, no they, you know rich. Now manage be they manage. Hey, lovely. They mad. If you see me for grand, sure, I'll let you open my because I will come confident. I can say, where are you now? Well, who come in Baku, Ajepkako? If they do kwaku this summer, stay for Amsterdam. You know where that they do kwaku. If you they go, if you go, toss a lovely and they go kwaku tomorrow. Come meet me for there. I go bath, come meet you. If I follow you, stand. You go say, this one are lovely. They mad. Oh, you okay. You know, you don't lie. You lie for my head. You lie for Jennifer Collins' head. Shakebo Mama, that woman when marry Oyibo when they Italy, you lie for your head. That woman when they Spain, when Muta they fight that time, you still lie for that one head. All the old women they beat you around for this social media. The second one when they Jamie, the day when that one they beat you. Now this is that one they beat you, bro. Who when you when man see the way when you can't useless now. Now only you can't do social media now you they shout. Don't priest now that one don't leave the matter. From Victor now that one don't live there. No gay that one don't leave saga. This person IK I know they say IK gay. That one don't enter house. May you enter house. If they want to talk now, they don't stop. Everybody now say, "Are you there? Now no fight today." Baka baka baka. Everybody don't enter house. See, Johnny Bizugbe. Johnny Bizugbe now is a politician. If I just said I can't my hair, Johnny Bizugbe now they talk every day. See, a party. A party let you work finish now. A party now, you don't go to use what they work. You stay for there, ask your son, you can go man. Ask your son, tell your husband this one, tell your husband this one. Man, you don't already fail. Your market, you don't expire. Enter house. Lovely. You know, sir, when not a rubber, only rubber size only where. You say, see this prick, they put rubber. You never know say some prick there. You say may you put rubber. You go they wear the prick rubber. If you wear and finish the rubber, the content will go up again. You wear it will go up again. You don't know. Now that kind of rubber now they want put for your cassava. You be like say they blow air put. Because they say lovely, they craze. I mean you want to do say me crush on you. You they mad. I mean you be they crush on me. I want to carry men like you. God forbid, poor man. Money not there, sir. Money not there wallet. Money not get where it's there. I see that they make me for social media. You don't feel take care of me. Wait, see. They will the person when they put for body. You don't feel buy am. Very stupid and useless man. We belly don't me. Or you go and cut your belly. Go to palestra. Go gym. Now so it chest come small. The breast don't fall. Okay, when no go eat day, you know say it don't old. Breast don't fall. Now not the see work by a day. Who ain't no be or your mind. You go see you can see the old age. Old age don't day breast. You know they open chest again. Oh, that one, you can't tell. Your process too small for my hand. Where did I want romance? I mean, where you turning idea? If you quit, now so you go be like a canyon. Nothing dead there. If we process now, say go don't be like a. Yeah, you go too like that. You call like that for my belly, for my chest. Without your belly, when you made me oh, it told you when me now. You can just go inside. See the way you never take deep go inside. This what you just get the way it be. Be like waiting water the enter. I don't look at it say, oh, go and do this thing. Go gym. Go cut down your belly. When you come big past your body, you do a lege. Akwa bokwa de. Usewa so pe and agele we only we genya. O say so pe agbe e ba wolo wo igewa o. This one e ba wolo wo okiowa o. If you can't carry a hand up like this, you will see old age. Everything old age. Chest old age. Igabo old age. Everything just show old age. Very useless woman. Useless man. I can run no ya buno you way. Is that what they talk like mouth go they smell? Go and remove the pieces. Your teeth, the pieces where they inside your mouth. Go remove them. Any food when you eat now, you go the stuff for inside the whole way day. If you talk now, you might go the smell. You know so okay aja. Just sit down for social media, they fool you fool yourself. You they disgrace yourself. All the small children, when you enter inside, they fool yourself. All of them don't enter house. And then now what? And they say to adopt gas. It's to adopt gas. Tama uwe, emi no su unu social place. Tama uwe, emi no su. You are not talking again. Where you tao? Who were the working tao? You they mess for body. You know they talk again. Very stupid, useless man. Hey, get out of here, man. Then they say lovely. You fit carry me. If they say may you carry me, I will leave my body for you. May you carry me. You fit carry me. But this about movement. Huh? They were getting where you to get a prick. The woman when put you for house, you not go fat the way we can't take fat now. Conji food that woman, but this say tomorrow no day. You don't see prick when you go cure and conji. Only our fear quick by 1, 2, 3. Or what here kwa? I want a quick release now. A quick release. You don't see the woman. Oh, we are not gonna make our hair. No yak bolo. Oh, go again. I mean, you again na he bere. No. The woman now, so the woman come food everywhere. Cause conji food the woman body. No see you go help and cure conji. How can woman there with man for house? The woman conji the conji stuff for your body. Eh? Nothing to cure her. Obo, so bo. You do her like 5 years old picking hand. Where that hand want reach? Nothing. Oh, sister, sorry, Ekbele, ma. Not be your fault. I know they blame you. Maybe if you see this video and I say, lovely, you did grace, I'm gonna kill you. Blah, 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 blah. I they call insult you because you don't know. You don't know. You know why you don't know? You know, say sometimes some men they, if they with their wife not they gay, if you want go meet another woman, you no go talk truth. Now lie go lie. Or the woman will come to see him by herself. Now that woman, do not see that time when the woman even thought I will call a party Murphy, may give me the audio when the woman take they cry. Only you cry when that woman cry that time. You go see and say the woman regrets in life. Yeah, at the end of the day, the deed is already done. The deed don't done. Because if the woman tell her say make it they go now, the woman still go they find another man again. Make kukuma dead there. If na house they help you they wash, madam. It good. Make sure help you they wash house, make they wash plates. Because I must hear me barolu okbolowa. Yeah, because if the woman they house now, you know if you eat finish, keep plate wait for the woman. You know they possible like that. The woman go work in the morning. Then the plate when they take chop, now you go wash them. You go stay for house, you go chop morning food, chop afternoon, chop evening, in the middle of the night, you go see the chop food. Very useless man. It is a conny. At the end of the day now, conny don't conny. Oh, okay, sorry. Don't Douglas, tama uwe. Don't Douglas, tama uwe. A t-shirt na tama uwe. You not tell me say you love me past. Who be you when they love? The person just open wide. The person just open wide. You where you get book where? Where be like tortoise. Tortoise even better pass yourself. Tortoise is strong. You know where you put up, they put on for your body, and how go they enter your body? No chest. Won't do. I mean, you no won't do. They see man will not get chest. From if you look here, get the way it be. No get chest. And man will do. If breast, you know, if you see some men break, go make me. Hair go run down. Where the nipple there, hair go run down. Nothing, no hair for chest, no hair for hand, nowhere way for get hair, no get beer. They walk boy, it be like catfish. Barrel we make neon. It did not that one go cold. Hey, go cold. Do my say na ghost, na dead body follow sleep. That one too cold now. Nothing dead that one body. He left for ground and say, you don't see leg. Now my people, me I got the live now. Now never see leg. He leg get the way when they do. One long, one short, one long, one short, one long, one short, one. Not so happy. Me, right zoom. When I shot this, I go zoom, I go bring the leg come out. One leg, one short, one leg, one short. You go everywhere say, how this woman take shot my leg? Where I'm your work the nails go make fear. You know say that man go get prick. The nail go get the way take cool. You go make fear. You know say the man get prick. You go get papa. The papa scab go. You know say some men they when they're not tall. You don't see their prick. Their prick they foot to toe. Ow! Oh no, okay, just see that move. Oh no, where were you? This one prick don't come out for Toto Barre now. Then they come they tell me say love. If I carry chicken, if you wait see, I rub on my you check like this say or wegbeya. Man don't they spin. If man they spin, you they use and they rub with this. May you see how he will reach. One come carry one stupid foolish man when you know where. When he carry small prick put for bosses, you go see the disgrace himself. Don't say men they like that. Eh? They'll go small prick night day with them. They'll see they disgrace themselves. Unless now you go tell the man say prick not even there, you not even get prick self. Why you disgrace yourself? You can't say you gonna shame me. You know not say me myself. I dey shame. Me I me do toi. Me just him with me gbe me gbe. Me akise tap I can kware rele kwa. Me when they shame. He see me that they wrong. Can tell you say they shake. I get lovely can't bring my name. Me bring. When you talk and say if Benin people, if Benin people say go say, I bet this one not always that lovely that one. Oh well, lovely said the deck. Even if say we dey Facebook, they do nyaka. Benin man go fit come and say a lovely, my one a lovely whatever ni. But when you talk of this thing. I don't fear game. Benin man, when they don't watch us, even if they don't know me for marriage grand. Benin man go say, lovely. He got the day where a party today live video. As I don't enter there, I don't say one man they talk say, where lovely, where ni ya like honey. He too respect himself. He got where woman they respect himself. I can be crazy sometimes. When it comes to say now man, because they use me they do football. Now lie, oh, I know they give man chance like that. Thank you for the love, my darling. Men big button up me. I said you no be me. I no born. I even said the man get prick where be say yes. If I gonna collect the prick, they collect money. Me. You never know anything. You carry prick, I think money follow the prick. Nonsense. Where go? How you talk self? Eh? If you mama come and say I date lovely, I will say Igwe, I will not say yeah. He go to say lovely. The time when I did lovely, he chopped my money. I will not say Igbo man they talk. Everywhere, no ho have it taba. I don't ho about mason. They got put this thing. I'm never to offend the jack butu genelo. If you see me for this, people always see me for grand faster. People they see me. They see me sometimes. So you know say. When you see people when you know sometimes, when they know you sometimes, when you don't know, if you they now so they'll come they looking like this. You know, they from ground they looking. Don't do that. So hey, you know me, say hi. You know, useless woman, useless man. Now woman even they call and say because now woman be very useless one kind. Tekbele. How be you when this guy show a picture that time you made you short, small short. They got this that yeah, Itohan dog glass. Enter, not to disgrace yourself again. Go find work. Go find black job they do. May you see they support the woman when put you for house. Now, area where can watch your only dog in your mind. You know when woman, if now let woman now they bring something come for her, the woman go old past the age. He go old past the age. Now come Facebook come they do nyaka. See the woman mate will be say, even if their husband died that time. When they see another, if you see that they go dress with gold. Now that woman they put for body. We hear when no good. If I look the woman sometimes, I say, well, the mistake is already there. Old school. All those shower. When you see old school, when people say you don't get time for man. Where I'm your better thing, red dress, better gold. And I say, I want to take it. I the Namayama where they put for here, you go for walk they'll pick her up again, put her back. You guys, you are so as I don't this all carry man put for house they feed man. Are they Chris? I know where. I know fit. Now you go buy this one, now you go buy that one, you go no, I know fit. I know fit. That man no fit stay in my house reach 1 week. You no go fit. 3 days safe. Hey, 3 days. If you get 300 for inside wallet, you don't finish. Ha! Hey, I no fit. Kaka, me that's about ba. How na take dey run na? Una dey try o. I no fit o. Ha! You want come drink. Now me go buy drink. Now you come they say, cook this soup. Now this soup I want put in zelefwa, put momo, put this one. If I cook soup, I go chop on to the. I make it loy. It loy with baby. I don't fit to. I don't fit put man for house. Like. What do you want they do for my house? You know, if you buy body spray for you, now you go they buy body spray for her. Now this woman, now they give Ajepkako money, may go to the bar bien. Because the man on the work, there is no way where he can go enter. You know they receive nothing. Now the woman go buy, he go there if they use the woman body spray. Yeah? Now deodorant, they smell for long. Woman deodorant, now they smell for long. Ha! Person when they from when they now Nigeria that they from about made clothes. Now they wear somebody dey Europe. They wear about made. Somebody dey Europe. They wear about made. Now Nigeria now the clothes when they wear those rag when they wear now about made. Now Nigeria therefore they buy and can't give her. This man cannot buy D&G original one from Europe. Now it go made. Now they wear. Moschino, this man cannot buy Moschino. No original, Igbo made night they wear. That day they say, lovely, you get good. Now maybe gold. If it might go full house, I'm gonna show for social media. Now Napoli gold, how you they show me, they craze. I've been out those shower when you they wear. If I carry one gold come out, you will not say yes. Me, I be madam of my own. You they craze. You know how many race I don't race? I desire bon quoi bote bon and I see your life now. Ajepkako, see your life. You are a disgrace to yourself. I will say you are a disgrace to manhood. You are a disgrace to yourself. Very useless man. Oh, we are not tian. Man, when they praise the fellow man. Oh, we are not dead again. Man, when they praise the fellow man, on dead again. You not be man where your fellow men day. When fellow men go see themselves, they get you where they greet. Pro afana, have business now. You when I will have business. Yeah, all the opening men know say you be Facebook lunatic. Now small children and then they call you. Small children. Bini men, come and start down for here. Go where they load container in a river. They're dead here. They carry container, they go house. Come and start down here. They carry container. You know. You sit down for there, they follow the dumb priest, they took am for Nash, they smell am. You don't three can't took am for happy to smell am like this. You go see took am for your own. You know the shame. Now dumb priest you got the girl, the polish. You don't even know how to call them. The polish. Gourivri. Moron. Mtsan. Look at John open. Look at John well. I live now for now on a good night. Very stupid, useless man. Then when you reach after that for Kwaku, call me. You are ready to can't be to Vano Welua. This say now me you take they play many lovely. This say I cool. No, me and the other pretend I know they fight. I they fight oh. I lie, I know they fight oh. You call no dog baby. I they fight. And then when you go see me. I'll call Kwaku. I'll say, lovely. You keep head there. Go! You keep boom. I be boa. Boom. You keep took your way where. I'll say, you should not see what lovely doing. You think say I cool. I'll not be gentle person, yo. If I see you for Kwaku, you go must collect from my hand. You keep exactly you can so. Kukuma, you don't get document. I go give you to police, Netherland police. I go give you to. They will say, do you want us to deport it? I go buy ticket. That's the way you are talking, you be bastard. I'll say you bomb picking, you throw where. Me, I'm one. You never know me, oh. Me, I must deal with Ajepkako. Ajepkako, don't let me see you. I will use you to share sample me. You don't know lovely. Right? Okay, Chef Freddy, no severio. Oh, the sale of go do good for you. The sale of go scatter the good. Me, I can give you 1,000 euro. If you bring the money, I go scatter them. Yeah, they use me. They say on Facebook. The day when I'll see you for grand, no, let me see you for Africa shop. Yeah, most when I keep a vacuum, I will use nap to scatter your head. You think say I cool? I don't cool. I don't get there. Now that you go see me, he keep moving. He keep so. You know the police go come. Oh, I one let man when they do resist, when they do resist. I hold on for here 30 minutes, police come. They come to beg. I say, I thought they talk. Or now, once I don't charge, nobody they feel me. Now they pray, may I not see you. You know me, if I say I want to deal with person, they deal with person, I must deal with you. As you put life on my head, you must collect from my hand. If you see me, now me will first see you, because if you see me for Amsterdam, you know, you think say now like this, now I will take on Amsterdam. God in your way, big in the worry. I'll remove my gold. I will put my cloth. Because I dey wear singlet. I will put my cloth. You go see something, man. May I take back to make you so. I will hold your leg. Police, let down police must come. Let down police, they know me, oh. Who saw me mess, oh. See this one. Make it a show example my Benin people. I will use it to show example me, lovely. Now me be lovely. I know they quit talk, but if I want to deal with you, you go collect. If I see you, or I you there inside Benin people, Benin men, I will call you for DM. Eke aso, wasu nuna imwe won't palebe. I'll call crack for you. Man, well, I hey, this man don't know me, oh. You want to use because they do caricature. I mark him for you. If I don't feel do you. There is small picking like this. Ukbomi. Small chicken man. Small chicken man. My children, Papa, if you see them, very huge. Okay, this small picking, you don't start again. As you huge rich. Okay, you make that bear. I will hold on. Well, lovely, you don't have to. Yeah, then you're okay, oh. Yeah, that you go see me. You are saying, you don't know me. This one don't know me. Now walk bera. Me amiemu wasta. If I see you, you know, see one person here say, lovely. If I see you for Amsterdam, I go stab you. I tell the person say, if you stab me, I go kill your picking for your eye. Picky bomb well, many lovely. You think like now because of children, now calm. Because of children, or that calm. This are Benin people where they Benin people say, now say I pay say I go leave you, I go hold you, let that land. Police go come meet me and you. They go carry you. You go sleep prison. Coffee. They will tell you what you want. Coffee and latte. They must carry you. Where? They must. Man. Let that land delay me now. That's a so. I can't say lovely. Lovely can't send the picture come for me. That want to Benin women. Not be me. Tell the talent of Benin women you must collect. Me, in many lovely. You don't know me. I go sit down for ground, make you they beat me, but I don't go leave you. But one thing when I go give you your blood, I must touch her. Me va robot swara belo home. Your blood, I must touch her. You never know anything. It is a live video. All of them, they say, lovely, if I see you fast, I go beat you. Then they see me, they go wrong. Ya run another shop, ya to the fridge, ya moko ki bo, I go choke you. You think say a lawyer? You must collect from my hand. That lie when you put from my head, if you don't collect, may I not see you faster than you not see one way he come for one live video presenter where years back. He said, lovely, don't let me see you faster than. I tell her, say, now the live video presenter say, you see why you not fair Peter? I say, you hold children. Yeah, woman no say, iki muni training mu bele. I will give you a pikin metric carry go. Me, if you don't reach, me when you want push person put for trade for Vicenza. Vicenza that so. Are you to him one trade they come? Now so they carry on from my hand. No sense. If that police and me carry on come abroad, I tell say you they craze. When case turn, when he talk, he say my juju don't turn the case put for your head. Police band down. Say police say if you ever enter this Vicenza again, they go deport you. Me amwe ya eden ya miemu. You go see I go show Benin people. I will use you to do example for Benin people. This I be Benin women when they put life for their head. Also know with Vicenza. Imo that ni training mu bele. That so police come. Police when they train station they come they carry me with them. You read that they say na me carry am come abroad. Na me carry am come. As they talk, I call the look. Police tell them say shut up. When battery me all me digi beni. I go use case for your head. I go frustrate you. You never know any. No matter how you go do juju rich, your juju not feel work for my for body. You see this provoke when I provoke for you, you must collect. No, let me see you for Amsterdam. At the point I'm here at Luefi. No, let me see you. I not be Bini, I be Ishan. Don't let me see you. I must deal with it. It is I be Bini person when I put life for their head or go bring a digu come. I know they carry a digu. Face to face, we will go do a face to face. You go see her. Etereki Zaka. They are Luwemi. Now they say, Itohan. May I bear, if I do you something, if you see woman next time, you go wrong. Then they say, man, they beat woman. That day, we go see ourselves. We will see ourselves. If I no fee mark you, if you don't see me, no, you don't just so free. Me, I must come meet you. You must do me. Don't worry. The day when I go beat you, don't talk say na me go fight you. I get men. I get spiritual men when they fight. If they come out cloth for my hand, that's why I will tell you. 100 people go they come out the hand for your for your cloth. You know go come out. All that you want okay, the man. I don't feel I feel deal with Leatherland man when he come here call the full self. I wait 30 minutes. I say police no come no deliver. Police come. Police warn and say may you no ever reach here again. When no you baby will you will not get document. You when they hide they go. One day now the Germany authority they will carry you, they go deport you. They go deport you. This I be Benin woman. Don't let me if I did that when I will see you for Kwaku, you go see yourself. And you must collect. Very useless, foolish man when frustrated. My but may I leave you now. May I not provoke past this or now. Bye bye.